My name is Lucy.
And my name is Quinton.
And we're Coles MiniRoos reporters. Today we're going to interview the Socceroos about how they started playing football back when they were kids like us. What was your favourite position playing growing up?
My favourite position was actually striker, but now I play in goals. What position do you play?
All the positions.
All the positions. I'm jealous.
What is your favourite thing of being a Socceroo?
That I get to play in front of all the Australian fans and represent our country.
Where was the coolest place you played a game?
The coolest place I've played a game is at Wembley against England last year. I think it was like 98,000 seater stadium, so it was quite an eye-opener from where I play my club football, so yeah, definitely the best stadium I've played at.
Lexi, would you like to play for the Matildas one day?
Yeah.
Who's your favourite player in the team at the moment?
Courtney Vine.
Courtney Vine?
Yeah.
She's fast, huh?
Yeah. Who was your biggest supporter when you were a kid?
My biggest supporter was definitely my parents. They always drove me to all my training sessions, all my games. Every weekend they were there, smiling on the sideline and giving me a lot of support. Lucy, who are your biggest supporters?
Mostly my grandparents.
Nice.
Would you rather win the World Cup or win $1,000?
Of course, we'll win the World Cup.
How many keepy-uppers can you do?
Maybe 100. How many do you think I can do?
96?
96. Yeah, we'll go 96.
What was your first club?
My first club was actually Cumberland United in Adelaide.
Were you the best player on your team?
At the start, I definitely wasn't the best player on my team, but I made sure I worked really hard and practiced my skills, and then eventually I was.
What is your top piece of advice for young players like us?
For you guys, the most important thing is to enjoy and have fun.